Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the 10th standard maths lesson 6 exercise 6.1. This is the continuation for previous video. In the second one, prove the following identities. Prove the following identities. The first one, 1 minus tan square theta divided by cot square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So we take the left hand side and prove to the right hand side. So first we take left hand side. Here 1 minus tan square theta divided by cot square theta minus 1 is equal to, here 1 minus tan square theta divided by, we change into the cot square theta, 1 divided by tan square theta minus 1. We take LCM in this step, so we have 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta whole divided by tan square theta. So here 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta also cancel. So we have 1 divided by tan square theta is equal to tan square theta. This is right hand side. So this is the solution for the first one. The second one, cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to secant theta minus tan theta. Here we take left hand side, cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Here multiply with 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. So cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. So the numerator cos theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by a plus b into a minus b, we have a square minus b square. So 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta is equal to, we have cos square theta. So cos theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So cos theta minus sin theta. Here we change this one. Here cos square theta, 1 cos theta is cancelled. So 1 divided by cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. So we write is 1 divided by cos theta is secant theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So this is right hand side. This is the solution for the second one. The next sum, third one, prove that root of 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta is equal to secant theta plus tan theta. So we take left hand side and prove that the right hand side. So write the solution. In left hand side, root of 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta multiplied with root of 1 plus sin theta whole divided by 1 plus sin theta. So we write it root of 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, we have 1 plus sin theta whole square divided by 1 minus sin theta multiply with 1 plus sin theta. Here a plus b into a minus b. So 1 square minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So square root of on the both one, we have 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. So we separate them. Now 1 divided by cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Here 1 divided by cos theta is equal to secant theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So that is right hand side. So in the first one, the answer is secant theta. We take left hand side and write it right hand side. This is the solution for the first one. The next one, second one, root of 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta plus root of 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 2 secant theta. So write it, we take left hand side in LHS root of 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta plus root of 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to, so 1 plus sin theta we write it secant theta plus tan theta plus 1 divided by secant theta plus tan theta. This is the previous sum answer. So root of 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta, we write it secant theta plus tan theta. Another one, the reciprocal for the 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta, we write it 1 divided by secant theta plus tan theta. So we write it secant theta plus tan theta plus secant theta minus tan theta. So here 2 secant theta. This is the right hand side. So this is the solution for the third sum in second one. The fourth one, prove the following identities. The first sum, secant power 6 theta is equal to tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta secant square theta plus 1. So we write it, we take the left hand side, secant power 6 theta. So secant power 6 theta, we write it secant square theta power 3. So secant square theta, we write it 1 plus tan square theta whole power 3. So here we using this formula, a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So this is one the formula. So use this formula. A is equal to 1, here b is equal to tan square theta. So we write it 1 plus tan power 6 theta plus 3 into 1 tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. Here 1 plus tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta into secant square theta. So this is right hand side. So in the RHS, we take the left hand side and prove the right hand side. This is the solution for the fourth one. The fourth one, second sum, we take left hand side sin theta plus secant theta square plus cos theta plus cosecant theta whole square. So sin theta plus secant theta whole square plus cos theta plus cosecant theta whole square. Here a plus b whole square, we write it. A square means sin square theta, b square means secant square theta, then 2ab, that is 2 sin theta into secant theta, plus cos theta is a square means cos square theta, then b square means cosecant square theta, then 2ab means 2 cos theta into cosecant theta. Here sin square theta into cos square theta. So we write it the same, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 into secant theta means sin theta divided by cos theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into cos theta divided by sin theta, that is 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into sin theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta. So we write this one. So the last one we write it 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into secant theta into cosecant theta. So that is 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta whole square, that is right hand side. So this is the solution for the second one. So dear students, today prepare well for the exercise 6.1 sum. Thank you.